Hare Krishna. So, LalGovindDas Prabhu, you are being missed so much by us now in London. Your kathas are life-changing, enlivening, very inspirational, very much informative, so much in detail from the Shastras. Prabhu, you are a very, very, very unique devotee. I had around 50 to 60 phone calls from the different community members saying that when are you coming back again? We definitely need you back in August here. Prabhu, your kathas are amazing. We really love the kathas. So much knowledge we don't get from different kathas which we're getting from you. Your personality, your personal touch with the devotees, your funny nature. Prabhu is amazing, amazing. And I just want to say thank you very much, because in London we had every day around 400 to 500 devotees for your katha, and on last few days we had around 1,000 people coming for your katha, so which was quite substantial numbers, and it was a life-changing. The trustees at Jalaram Temple, the local communities, the volunteers, they were all glorifying you so much, Prabhu. We love you so much, Prabhu. We love your kathas. We really enjoy your kathas. Your kirtan and the dancing, we missed this so much. It was really amazing. Dancing in your kirtan was really ecstatic. Spinning, jumping, it just comes naturally after hearing your katha, Prabhu. Everything becomes natural. You know, it's because you awaken the love for Krishna from the heart, and the knowledge you give is purely about Krishna, and it's all about bhakti. Bhakti is a devotional service, and this is a very powerful knowledge. It touches the heart when you say something. It really touches the heart. And I know people don't want to even stand when your katha is going on 3 hours, 4 hours. They just want to sit and hear your katha. So this is really amazing, glorious. This proves that Krishna is working through you. Krishna is speaking through you, this message. So this is a very, very powerful message. And we really, really appreciate, Prabhu, you're doing this wonderful preaching all over the world. And may we pray to Shri Radha and Krishna for more and more mercy shower upon you. Thank you very much, Prabhu. We are on our way to Birmingham Kirtan Mela now. So we were listening to your katha recently. It was very inspiring, mentioning the mood of the devotees. So this is how the mood we should keep in our mind when we focus on the holy name, when we meditate on the holy name. So this is very, very important message for all of us. Please keep inspiring us. Please continue. May Srila Prabhupada bless you with more and more mercy, and you can preach this message to all over the world. Thank you very much, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Thank you, and we'll see you very, very soon. Or we'll see you also online, obviously on YouTube and on Zoom. But thank you, Prabhu, very much again. Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. His Grace LalGovindDas Prabhu ki jai.